Hey everyone, this is Narun and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Today, I am excited to kick off a brand new series from zero to hero. In this series, we are going to deal with different techniques, different ideas, different ways, resources, different things that can help you to start your English learning journey. You might be stuck somewhere like you are waiting to get the perfect resources or the perfect motivation to start your English learning journey. If you are someone like that, this is the video just for you. You can start your English learning journey by these techniques. From scratch to being fluent, I am there to help you out. In this series, we will cover everything you need to begin your English learning journey, from setting your goals to getting the right resources. You will see different videos coming up that can help you be a pro English speaker. Let's get started with our first episode. The first thing you have to do is understanding your why. Why do you want to learn English? That is the first step before learning English, before starting to learn English. You should understand your motivation. Why are you learning English? Is it for career or travel purposes or for better education, or even to communicate with your friends or family, or even you can say like for self-confidence, to show off that you know English? You first need to understand what is the reason behind learning English. I encourage you to comment down the reason why you want to learn English. You can also write it down somewhere visible, like on your wall or in your notebook, so that you can look into it in difficult times, like when you are not motivated enough or when you feel low, when you don't want to learn English. Just look it, just read it and stay motivated and stay positive. The next step is to set realistic goals. Having clear, achievable, realistic goals can help you stay focused and motivated. One method to set goals is the SMART technique. I already did a video detailing about the SMART technique to learn English. I'll pin it up here so you can watch it and understand what SMART technique is. By this technique, you can easily learn English. There are two types of goals: short goals, long goals. A short-term goal is something like I'll learn 10 new words every week, or I'll learn 3 new words every day, something like that. And long-term goals is something that we can achieve in long term, something like I will speak continuously for 10 minutes in English in 3 months, something like that. So there are two types of goals. Always try to keep realistic goals. Don't just choose something that cannot be achieved. I'll give you an example. I will learn 100 new words tomorrow. I know it is not possible for me. I cannot learn 100 new words tomorrow. I cannot buy 100 new words tomorrow. So whenever you are keeping goals in your life, try to keep realistic goals, goals that can be achieved. Because if you keep something that you cannot achieve, you will feel miserable, you will feel low because you cannot do it, and you think like, okay, I cannot learn English because I cannot achieve even a simple goal that I kept for 1 week. So always try to keep realistic goals. I have explained this in detail in the other video about the SMART technique. In that video, everything about goals is explained. Please do watch it. And also, I would love to hear about your goals. Please comment it down so that we all can read it, and others can also get motivated from your goals. Let's all support each other in this English learning journey. The next one is creating a balanced plan. Like a balanced diet. Whenever we visit a doctor, we hear this: always eat a balanced diet to stay healthy. Same like that, in learning English, you need to have a balanced plan. In English, there are various aspects like listening, reading, writing, speaking. There are different aspects. So this all work together to make your English better. They all complement each other. So for a successful learning plan, you need to work on all aspects, all skills in English. You can use various apps like Duolingo or websites like BBC Learning and various YouTube channels like this one or various other channels. You can depend on those for various resources, plans, helpful tips and lessons. Try to improve your listening, speaking, reading, writing, everything all together. I'll explain about all this in the coming videos. I'll make a video for all these aspects in English. I'll make a video on the plan that can help you learn English. You know what? You should have proper plan to learn English. You should set aside 10 to 15 minutes each day, at least 10 to 15 minutes each day to learn English, to practice your English. So in that time, how should you learn English? How can you utilize the 10 to 15 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours? How can you use it effectively to learn English? I'll make a video about this topic. This can help you prepare a particular plan for yourself and start following that plan and to learn English. You should also find your learning style. Some might learn by writing, some might learn easily by watching, some might learn easily by listening. So try to find your style, which is more better for you. If you are someone who learns easily by watching, then try to use flashcards or watch English videos. If you are interested in listening, then try to listen to podcasts, songs, etc. to learn English. So which one is more better for you? Try to choose it and practice it more. I'm not telling you to avoid other methods. You should first try different methods and choose the one that is good for you and try to use that method more. Also, you need to try with other methods for less time, but you need to practice more using the method that is better for you, that is more easy for you to understand English. Remember, every small step matters. Keep practicing and believe in yourself. You can definitely speak English easily. So guys, this is all for today. This is the first episode of our series From Zero to Hero. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.